Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I'm going to show you how to screencast or Miracast or mirror your Android device to your laptop or wireless display. So friends, Windows has a built-in feature called wireless display that uses Miracast. It basically turns your laptop into a wireless monitor. So first go to settings and here you need to search projection projection settings. You will find projection settings or you will find this option in the settings, and then here you will find option optional features. Add the wireless display optional feature to project this PC. Just click on optional features and then click on view features. Click yes, and then in the search here you have to search wireless display. Wireless display, it is not showing here in the edit feature, so you have to click on see available features and then find the wireless display. You will find here wireless display. Just select this checkbox and click add button. It will install in your device. So it takes time. It will take almost 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Once the wireless display is installed, you just need to open wireless display. Now take your mobile phone, do few things to screencast your device. So friends, this is Samsung Galaxy M06. So I just want to screencast this device to my laptop. So just go to settings and then find smart view option or simply swipe down. Here you will find smart view. You see this is smart view, and then click continue. Again continue it. You will find the computer name here. Tap here, then click start now. See Galaxy M06 is connecting. See, yes, it is connected. If you want to disconnect, simply swipe down the screen and go to smart view, and it's disconnected. So friends, this is a Realme 8 type mobile phone, and here you will find screencast option. This is a screencast. Just tap on screencast. It will ask for some permission. Turn on location service for screencast to ensure you can cast your screen successfully. Now click on turn on. It will search your device. See, device is detected. See, the name is here. Tap on it. Click start now. See, it's working. Yes. So friends, in this way you can screencast your device to your laptop. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Now to disconnect the wireless display, simply scroll down and just click this screencast. See, it is disconnected.